Hi, it's Angry Admin here from angrysysrops.com, and today I have this unscheduled video because something happened. I was going to apply hotfix to my vROps 8.6 because I didn't switch to 8.10 yet. And during that operation, that happened. Look at this. So now I will show you how quickly fix that issue. To fix that issue, we need to SSH to our node, vROps node. However, to do so, you need to switch on SSH. So to switch on SSH, you need to log in to your vROps admin UI. So you have your vROps URL /admin, and then you see all your nodes. In this case, I have one, and on the right hand side there's a switch to activate SSH. So I just toggle on to the right, and now I can SSH to my environment. Okay, so let's do it. It's there. Now let's take a password. Okay, and we are in. And what we need to do is simply just renew administrator password. So yes, this error is caused by expired password, and this is the VMware KB where you can read about this issue. But if you want, you can follow my lead. So let's start. Once we get into our appliance, now we need to do this command. Don't worry, I will leave that command in the video description, or you can pause the video and try to type in, but again, the whole command will be in the video description. Press enter, and now it asks you for the password. So let me grab the password. But we see in my case, it's not the password, it says that certificate is expired. So let's investigate this angle also. This will be a long command, so as previously, I will leave that command in the video description, so you can just copy and paste. And let's have a look, let's check our certificates. Okay, it doesn't show me any expired certificates, so it should be okay. I shouldn't renew any certificates. So that's strange. Let me think about it. Okay, so it gives me the certificate error on the first attempt, and then I just run that command and it doesn't show any certificate expired. So let's try to reset the password again. Okay. Yeah, and I still have the same error message. Okay, this is my dev environment, and I had one certificate which was expired, but it was for the other machine, and I removed that. But you know what, just to be on the safe note, so let's just reboot, just in case. So, few seconds. What I did now was I went to the vROps admin page and I put the cluster offline. After putting cluster offline, I just reboot the node, and here is the video after the reboot. Okay, and let's try one more time. Now after reboot. No, we still see that there's some problem with the certificate. I'm actually happy that this happens. I'm happy because you see that I'm working on the real life environment and not everything is smooth. Bear with me, we will get to the bottom of that problem. As I have quite few projects on my plate now, one of them is a vROps dashboard to show the cost of running VMs. But what's interesting is you have these t-shirt sizes of VMs: small, medium, large, and extra large. By the way, once you watch that video, the vROps dashboard has been released, and if you go to my blog angrysysops.com, you can download that dashboard and use in your environment. Anyway, as I said before, I didn't want to go that rabbit hole, so I contact VMware customer support. You will see my interaction with customer support agent, and you will see how we resolved the issue. By the way, before we continue, obviously please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, but remember to take a snapshot. I skip that part of the video because everyone should know at this stage how to take a snapshot. So put your cluster offline, take a snapshot of the nodes, and then do your work. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. Thanks.
If you go down, yeah. Well, it. Yeah, I mean, it's a multiple thing. This caters for multiple issues, and it's basically the bit vROps 8.0 and later. That's all you do: unset path, unset that, and then run those two commands.
Okay.
Yeah, and then bring it on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and repeat steps on all nodes. It says, yeah. Oh, one node, grand. Okay.
So that will be quick and easy.
Yeah.
What is that code? There's nothing which says what code that.
Oh, it's multiple issues with cert. And basically, what you can do after then is you can do load up the web cert again, or get the web cert sorted out eventually. The certificates.
So I have to like renew the set.
Yeah, renew the cert afterwards then, but probably get it upgraded first, and then we'd worry about the cert after then, and
Okay. So you see, that was that's what we applied as a hotfix. It's not like a fully upgrade. It's not 8.10.
Oh, it's still considered an upgrade,
All right. So we're going to. Okay, so vRealize 8.0 or later, yeah.
Yeah. So unset, run those three. Yeah. Yeah.
What's it accepts what?
That's just path settings. It just throws errors when you don't do it. Okay, and then you run the first one default. That's the guy. Yeah. You wait, and then you run restart HTTP daemon. That's it done. Yeah. And then we go onto the admin UI, bring it up. A few words of explanation. After I reset all those paths and certificates, obviously I got this error message: your connection is not private. Usually in this situation you can click advanced and then proceed to the website. However, as you can see on this picture, under advanced I have this explanation why I cannot proceed. So what to do in this situation? All you need to do is type in "this is unsafe." This is unsafe, one word. And this will allows you to the website. But it won't let me in, right? Admin. And the password. And click on login. And click on login. And now it's going through, okay. Going through. Maybe the password. I don't know. All right. Should I bring it online there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. SSH is not okay. Yeah. Today takes ages again. It always takes time. Okay. Yeah. Metrics. Okay. Metrics coming in. Yeah. Right. Yeah, online. Okay. Cool. Software update. Okay. Should we like finish or do a cancel there? Or cancel and start. Yeah. Yeah, you sure? Yeah. Okay.
After cancelling this failure update, I went with the fresh installation and it went successfully. I don't want to bore you with how to update vROps because I have the video on that particular subject on how to upgrade video. Just search at my channel. What I want to say is that I thought I have one problem, then I thought I have something else, and I end up with having the third problem, which obviously I was able to resolve. So guys, I hope that video was informative for you. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Twitter. Okay, thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye.